Section 1, Real Estate License Law and Qualifications for Licensure. Key term review. Broker is a person who, for another and for compensation or other consideration, or anticipation of compensation or other consideration, performs real estate services. Broker associate is an individual who meets the requirements of a broker but who chooses to work, operate in real estate under the direction, employ of another broker. Compensation is anything of value or a valuable consideration directly or indirectly paid, promised, or expected to be paid or received. Expungement is a process by which the record of a criminal conviction is destroyed or sealed after expiration of time. Florida resident for application and licensing purposes is a person who has resided in Florida continuously for a period of 4 calendar months or more within the preceding year, regardless of whether the person resided in a recreational vehicle, hotel, rental unit, or other temporary or permanent location. License is a written document issued by the DBPR that serves as prima facie evidence, valid on its face, that the person is licensed on the date shown. Mutual recognition agreement is a transactional agreement between Florida and another state that provides for the two states to recognize each other's real estate pre-license education. No contest is a plea of no contest entered in a criminal court of law. The defendant does not admit or deny the charges, though a fine or sentence may be imposed by the court. Owner-developer is an unlicensed entity that sells, exchanges, or leases its own property. Prima facie evidence is a legal term used to refer to evidence that is good and sufficient on its face to establish a given fact or prove a case. Real estate services include any real estate activities involving compensation for performing the service for another. Reciprocity is the practice of mutual exchanges of privileges. Some states have reciprocal arrangements for recognizing and granting licenses to licensed real estate professionals from other states. Registration is the official placement of a real estate business or individual into the DBPR's records. Sales associate is a person who performs real estate services for compensation, but who does so under the direction, control, and management of an active broker or owner-developer. Sealed. Records cannot be examined except by order of the court or by designated officials, and withhold adjudication occurs when the court determines that a defendant is not likely to again engage in a criminal act and that the ends of justice and the welfare of society do not require the defendant suffer the penalty imposed by law. After such determination, the court may withhold adjudication of guilt, stay or stop the imposition of the sentence, and place the defendant on probation.